Hello everybody and welcome to Word Problems questions 11. So if we have 200 millilitres of a solution with 15% sulphuric acid, how much sulphuric acid do we need to add to increase that concentration to 32%? Well, we have a solution of 15% when 15 is divided by 100, or that's 15 millilitres in 100 millilitres, or 30 millilitres in 200 millilitres. So we already have 30 millilitres of sulphuric acid in the solution, and we want to add some more, let's call it X millilitres, and we want that to give us a 32% solution. So this means that 30 plus X divided by 200 plus X has got to equal 32 divided by 100. And if we rearrange that, we get X is equal to 50. So we need to add 50 millilitres of sulphuric acid. Now here we have town A, town B, and a 400-kilometre straight road in between them. Now we're looking at two cars. The first car leaves town A at 8 o'clock and it arrives at town B at 14:40. Now that's a total journey time of 6 hours and 40 minutes, or 400 minutes. And as the distance travelled is 400 kilometres, that's 1 kilometre a minute, or 60 kilometres an hour. Now the second car leaves town B at 8:15 and it arrives at town A at 13:15. So that's a total journey time of 5 hours. And again, it's travelled 400 kilometres, and 400 divided by 5 is 80. So that's 80 kilometres per hour. Now we need to find out what time the cars go past each other. But first we need to work out how far car A has travelled in the first 15 minutes before car B starts. Now car A is travelling at 60 kilometres per hour, so it's going to travel 30 kilometres in half an hour and 15 kilometres in a quarter of an hour. So if car A starts at 8 o'clock, at 8:15 it's travelled 15 kilometres. Now if we subtract the distance already travelled, 15 kilometres, from 400 kilometres, we now get the distance between them, which is 385 kilometres. Then we want to work out their collective speed. Well, car A is going at 60 kilometres an hour and car B is going at 80 kilometres an hour. So together they're travelling at 140 kilometres per hour. So now we have the distance and the speed, so we can work out the time taken. So if we divide 385 by 140, that reduces down to 11 over 4, which is 2 3/4. So basically the two cars are going to travel that distance in 2 3/4 hours, which is when they're going to pass. Now that 2 3/4 hours is going to be after 8:15, which is when car B started driving. And 8:15 plus 2 3/4 hours takes us up to 11 o'clock. So the two cars pass each other at 11 o'clock. We're also asked what the distance from A is when the cars go past each other. Well, the first car is already 15 kilometres past A at 8:15, and then it's travelling at 60 kilometres an hour for 2 3/4 hours. So we need to times 60 kilometres by 2 3/4 hours and add that to 15 to get the answer, which is 180 kilometres. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it or got some benefit out of it. If you did, please hit the like button. If you managed to get the same answer, or even if you didn't, then please comment below. And I hope to see you on the next one.